Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to find out if we can wash a handgun in a dishwasher. We're going to be using my Smith & Wesson Shield 40 everyday carry. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to wash all of the pieces of the gun, including the ammo. Let's put the ammo in here. Alright. This is kind of reminiscent of a scene. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that movie, Stop or My Mom Will Shoot. It's not that great of a movie. We're going to put this down here too. Basically in the movie, Sylvester Stallone and the mom is played by Estelle Getty, the former Golden Girl. She takes his gun and says, "This thing's dirty," and she washes it by hand in soapy water. And she cleans the bullets and all, and in the movie, it goes in as a blued gun. It was like a Taurus PT-92, I think, they used for some reason. And then later in the scene, she gets it all cleaned up, and it's all of a sudden a stainless steel gun. And he's freaking out. He's like, "You ruined my gun!" And I thought that was the dumbest scene because it was clearly a swap out of the, with a different gun. So. But here we go. Here's the soap we're going to use. We're going to try and record it with a camera here. This is my little cheap GoPro. If it doesn't survive this process, I won't be mad. Here's the soap we're using. A little push. We just push the red button to activate it. All right, and here we go. And now we wait. If you haven't actually seen Stop or My Mom Will Shoot, don't bother. It wasn't that memorable. Ooh, come to Papa. Alright, take a look. Ouch, that is super hot. Magazine looks good. Spring looks good. If I melt this gun, you're going to see some man tears. But I think we did okay. So we're going to dry it out completely. We're going to lube it up. And we're going to give it a function test and see if it works out. Okay, I got pretty much everything dried off. Let's go ahead and put her back together. I'm not going to be using this ammo. So next time we shoot it, it'll be with new ammo. Alright, here we go. There it is. Works like a charm. We're going to dry it. Make sure it's dried. And then we're going to lube it up good before we put it away. But a pretty good testament to the quality of Smith & Wesson. Yes, you can wash your gun in the dishwasher. Probably wouldn't be really recommended. But as you can see, it worked out real good. So, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And we'll see you next time.